There are three procurement routes which can be taken under the JCT contracts: traditional, design and build, and management. In this video, we'll dive into explaining the traditional procurement route and all the pros and cons that go along with it. Before we jump in, if you're enjoying these videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new content. Have you ever wondered why it's called the traditional procurement method? Well, it's because it's been used since the Victorian era, and it goes a little like this. The client hires a company to design their housing estate or block of flats or any construction project really. Then once the design is complete, it'll go down one of two routes. One option would be to hire another firm of cost consultants, usually quantity surveyors, to build up a cost estimate and bill of quantities. The cost estimate would provide the client with an approximate cost, which could be compared against the tenders, and the bill of quantities will be used to ensure the tenderers provide a quote against the same build-up of items. The other route would be to use a design company's cost team, or for the client to rely on their own judgment to see if the quote is suitable for the works. We recommend not going down this route, as the uncertainty is too great. Once the design has been completed and the bill of quantities produced, the contract for the construction phase will be put out to tender. This could be open, selective, or negotiated tender, branching down into the single or competitive methods. Don't worry, we'll be providing another video going through the tender processes shortly. The traditional procurement method has a lot of advantages and disadvantages. The main advantage of the traditional method is a greater certainty. This is because the design is finalised before contractors are appointed, and so there is clarity about precisely what is required and how much it's likely to cost. To provide this certainty, other aspects do take a hit. The time taken to deliver the project would most likely be increased, as the client would have to approach multiple businesses to provide different services. As this shows, a traditional procurement method may not be the most ideal procurement route to go down, but if a client, or even yourself, are asking questions such as, is the design important? Do I have a strong sense of how a project should look and feel? Am I hoping to collaborate with an architect so they can capture my vision and bring what I want to life? Does being able to feel in control of what's been designed and built for me matter more than when it's finished? And am I a person whom details matter? Then the traditional procurement method is probably for you. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.